To actually start a successful e-com dropshipping business, you need 5,000 softwares and thousands of dollars to spend on crappy ads for crappy products. With YouTube dropshipping, you need one software that costs $90 a month with minimal effort for at least a few months, and you'll make thousands of dollars. We're not wasting any time. Let me get right into it and show you guys how to start. Quickly, for the people that don't know what YouTube dropshipping is, basically when somebody offers a YouTuber the service of taking their old videos, using AI to translate them into a new language, and then creating new channels for those new translated versions of the videos. So now that you actually have a general idea of what this business is, let's go into a 7-step plan of how to start. Just like any other plan, start with step 1. So as you can see, step 1 deals with finding a niche. Now just scrolling through my own YouTube homepage, we can see that there's so many different types of videos, so it's hard to choose what type of channel you're gonna start working with. Now ideally, you wanna be working with any channel that is easily translated. The easier and more seamless the translation actually is, the more views your video is gonna get, because the people just think that the video is being created in that language. Now, if you're just a beginner, I would steer clear away from vlogging channels just because they have a lot of background noise and it makes the translation harder on the AI software. They're very hard to sign with, but if you can get a podcasting channel with a lot of followers, it's really good, so I suggest that. I'm going to give you guys the 3 channels that I think are the best to work with in the beginning. So as we can see here, it's podcasting. There's thousands of podcasts out there and so many people watch podcasts. The reason podcasting isn't in number 1 is because they're often hard to sign with. There's so many podcasts out there with minimal viewership, but if you can really sign one in the couple hundreds of thousands or up in those millions, it's going to be a cash cow farm. This is new for me. I haven't really worked with any before, but I just signed one recently. And this is going to be how-to channels. Those videos on how to set up your phone for the older people or how to use CapCut or Adobe Photoshop, stuff like that. They're very simple and easy to translate, so those could be very, very good opportunities to make money. Now, the number 1 that I love to work with is going to be kids channels. It doesn't matter if you have little mishaps in your video because the babies that are watching them can't really tell. I mean, as you can see, they're getting upwards of 60 million views on every single video that these people are posting. Signing with these channels give you a huge opportunity to get views and get views quickly. But on with this part, let's move on to step 2. I want you to create a list of the top channels in your niche, ranking from the most to the least amount of subscribers. Once you have that done, we're gonna move to step 3, which is outreach to the smaller channels. So I'm actually putting you guys on right now, so if you got this far, you're lucky. Here's an example of an email that I use every single day. So let's quickly go over it. Hello, my name is G Swizzy and I'm the owner of G Swizzy Dubbing, first and only AI dubbing service for YouTubers. Obviously, input your own stuff. I mean, I'd assume you guys aren't that dumb to just actually say G Swizzy. Next, I came across your channel. I'm certain that I can expose your channel to a huge market of possible viewers. By the way, this is not automated. I'm a real person and I attached a quick translation of one of your videos to show what I actually do. This is the number 1 thing I need you guys to be doing. Attaching a video of one of their old videos translated shows them not only that you're not a bot, but it also shows them that you can do quality work. I like this first line as well because it shows them why I'm talking to them very quickly. Next, we kind of just want to wrap up the email. I love the opportunity to expand your channel and make you more money without you doing any extra work. By the way, I don't charge. If I make you money, I take a %. If I don't, you never have to speak to me again. I think this email is so good and it's actually given me such good results. I send out 3 to 4 emails a day and sign, I'd say, 2 to 3 of these people. Now, of course, I do have my brand behind me, but when I just first started out, I was getting very similar results. Alright, so now that you've sent your email, you've signed somebody, it's time to sign up for HeyGen. HeyGen is the best translation platform, and I'm going to show you what my original homepage looked like when I started 6 months ago. This is my old account that I started for like 2 days, gave up on, and that was before I actually started doing real work. So I created this account specifically for this video because I've signed an NDA with every single one of my clients, meaning that I'm not allowed to show you guys who I'm actually working with. This is what your homepage should be looking like, and it should be here at projects. From here, you go to projects and then create video, translation, wait for that to be done, and then once you're done, we're gonna go on to moving and posting on YouTube. So you've done everything. You've signed your channels, you've done outreach, you've created your list. Now you're posting videos. I'm going to create a video in the future explaining exactly what you guys should do in order to maximize the efficiency and results of your videos that you're posting for your clients. But for right now, I'm just going to emphasize that you guys need to be copying everything exactly from your original video. If you're working with people with over 100,000, 50,000, 30,000 subscribers, you need to understand that people obviously like something about their videos. Copy their thumbnails exactly. Copy their descriptions, their titles, everything. If you can get the tags, those will help too. If not, just think about it, create tags yourself. It shouldn't be that hard. Okay, so you've done everything, you're posting. Now it's time for you to get rid of your bad channels and start making a lot of money. At one specific time, you should not be working with anything more than 5 channels if you don't have employees. So say you've signed with 10 channels originally and you're working with them to see who's good and who's not good. That's all right. You just need to, at one point, kick out your bad channels and spend all of your time to grow your 5 channels that you want to. These channels should be monetizing within a month to 2 months. If not, it might be time to start dropping your channels or look at something that you may be doing wrong. But yeah, this business model is pretty simple, and if you guys do it right and consistent, you should be golden. I expect that you guys should be posting around 2 to 3 videos every single week, evenly dispersed. Posting too much shows YouTube that you're a bot. Posting too little shows YouTube that you don't really actually care about it. So that right fine line of 2 to 3 videos should be gold. I hope you guys actually listen to me, because 99% of people are just gonna scroll past and find another video of another new type of way they can make money. But if you genuinely listen to me, you will succeed in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.